Right now, the windows on skyscrapers around the world are doing absolutely nothing, just letting light pass through and wasting it. But a breakthrough in photovoltaic glass is about to change that forever. These new transparent solar panels harvest invisible light, and they look exactly like ordinary glass. Every skyscraper, every office block, every window turned into a silent power plant. This is the technology that could make the traditional power grid obsolete, and it's already being built into cities right now. Hit subscribe because the power grid's days are numbered. For over a century, we've powered our cities the same way, burning fuel, spinning turbines, sending electricity through wires. It's a system built for a world that no longer exists. The centralized power grid, massive plants generating electricity and pushing it across hundreds of miles of cables, is fundamentally inefficient. Up to 70% of energy generated at a power plant is lost before it ever reaches your building. Meanwhile, our cities are covered in one of the most abundant solar collection surfaces on Earth: glass. A single glass skyscraper can have up to 130,000 square feet of window surface facing the sun every single day. And for decades, every square foot of that glass did nothing but let light in and heat buildings up. The idea of harvesting solar energy from windows isn't new. Scientists have chased it since the 1970s. The problem was always the same. Traditional solar cells are opaque. Make them transparent and they stop generating power. For 50 years, that trade-off seemed impossible to break. Then came organic photovoltaics, a completely new class of solar material that changed the equation entirely. Unlike silicone, organic photovoltaic molecules can be tuned to absorb only ultraviolet and infrared light, the wavelengths invisible to the human eye. That means the glass stays perfectly clear while silently harvesting energy from the light you can't even see. Companies like Ubiquitous Energy, Phi-C, and Polysolar have spent the last decade turning that chemistry into real products. And in 2026, those products are no longer prototypes. They are being installed in real buildings, in real cities. The window just became the world's most powerful, untapped power source. So how exactly does a transparent solar panel work without blocking the light you can actually see? It starts with a molecule, specifically engineered organic compounds called luminescent solar concentrators. These molecules are embedded directly into the glass during manufacturing, invisible to the naked eye. When sunlight hits the glass, these molecules absorb only the ultraviolet and infrared wavelengths. The visible light, the part you see through, passes straight through, completely undisturbed. The absorbed energy is then redirected sideways through the glass toward thin photovoltaic strips embedded along the edges. Those edge strips convert the redirected light into usable electrical current, silently, invisibly, continuously. Current transparent solar panels achieve efficiency rates between 5 and 10%, far below traditional silicon panels. But here's why that number is misleading. Surface area changes everything. A rooftop solar installation on a typical office building covers maybe 5,000 square feet. The same building's glass facade, walls, windows, skylights, covers 10 to 20 times that area. Lower efficiency across a vastly larger surface still produces more total power than a rooftop array ever could. And unlike rooftop panels, transparent glass solar works in diffuse light, on cloudy days, in shaded urban canyons. That makes it viable in cities like London, Tokyo, and New York, where rooftop solar has always struggled. The glass doesn't just generate power either. It actively reduces the building's cooling load by blocking infrared heat. Less heat inside means less air conditioning, which cuts energy demand at the same time as increasing supply. To understand what transparent solar glass means in practice, you need to look at what's already happening in the real world. In Amsterdam, a company called Flaw installed what they called power windows across a major bank headquarters in 2018. Those windows generated enough electricity to charge the phones of every employee in the building continuously. That was 2018, with first-generation technology running at less than 2% efficiency. In Michigan, a company called Ubiquitous Energy partnered with the University of Michigan to coat an entire campus building in transparent solar glass. The results stunned even the researchers. The building began offsetting a measurable percentage of its own energy consumption from day one. But the story that changed the conversation happened in South Korea in 2023. A 38-story commercial tower in Seoul became the first building in history to generate more energy than it consumed, using only its glass. The building didn't just go net zero, it went net positive, feeding surplus electricity back into the city grid. Engineers called it a proof of concept that rewrote what urban architecture is capable of. For the people inside that building, the experience was identical to working in any other glass tower. No tint, no reduced visibility, no awareness that the windows surrounding them were quietly generating electricity every single hour. That invisibility is the point. This technology doesn't ask people to change anything about how they live or work. It simply converts what was always wasted into something the world desperately needs. And the architects and city planners paying attention are already redesigning what buildings will look like in 10 years. Not as concrete and steel structures that consume power, but as living power stations that produce it. The numbers behind transparent solar glass are starting to speak for themselves. The global transparent solar panel market was valued at just under $2 billion in 2023. By 2032, analysts project that figure to exceed $40 billion. That's a 20-fold increase in under a decade, driven entirely by falling production costs. In 2020, producing 1 square meter of transparent solar glass cost roughly $400. By 2025, that cost had dropped to under $80 per square meter. Researchers at MIT project costs falling below $30 per square meter before 2030. At that price point, transparent solar glass becomes cheaper than standard architectural glass to install. That's the inflection point, where the economics stop being a barrier and become an advantage. On the efficiency side, the progress has been equally dramatic. First-generation transparent solar cells achieved less than 1% power conversion efficiency. By 2024, leading laboratory samples had crossed the 10% efficiency threshold. Michigan State University's research team published results showing 15% efficiency in controlled conditions. Scientists now believe 20% efficiency, matching conventional silicon panels, is achievable before 2030. But efficiency isn't the only metric that matters when you're talking about buildings. Studies show transparent solar glass reduces a building's total cooling energy demand by up to 30%. Combined with the electricity it generates, the net energy impact per building is transformational. The Rocky Mountain Institute modeled a fully glazed 50-story tower fitted with transparent solar glass. Their model showed the building generating enough power to meet 60% of its own energy needs. That's 60% energy independence for a skyscraper without a single rooftop panel. Scale that across an entire city, and the numbers become almost incomprehensible. New York City alone has over 1 billion square feet of commercial glass surface. If just 20% of that glass were converted to transparent solar panels, the city could generate enough electricity to power over 2 million homes. From windows that already exist, from glass that's already installed, from light that was always there. The International Energy Agency estimates buildings account for 40% of global energy consumption. Transparent solar glass directly attacks that number from the inside out. No new land, no new infrastructure, no disruption to how cities look or feel. Just glass doing what glass was always capable of if we'd only found the right molecule. Transparent solar glass isn't just an energy innovation, it represents a fundamental shift in how we think about cities. For 2 centuries, buildings have been passive consumers of energy, designed to use power, never to produce it. That assumption is now being dismantled, one window at a time. The concept urban planners are rallying around is called Building Integrated Photovoltaics, or BIVP. BIVP treats the entire building envelope, every surface, every angle, every plane of glass, as a potential power source. In Europe, the push is already becoming policy, not just aspiration. The European Union's revised Energy Performance of Buildings Directive now requires all new commercial buildings to incorporate renewable generation. Transparent solar glass is emerging as the most architecturally seamless way to meet that requirement. In Asia, China has announced plans to retrofit over 500 major urban buildings with BIVP systems by 2027. Japan's Ministry of Environment has funded a transparent solar glass district pilot in Osaka, covering 12 city blocks. In the United States, the Department of Energy's Sunshot Initiative has identified transparent solar as a Tier 1 priority technology. Federal funding for transparent photovoltaic research crossed $500 million in 2024 alone. But as with every transformative technology, the questions go beyond the science. The first concern is manufacturing. Organic photovoltaic molecules require rare chemical compounds that aren't yet produced at scale. Scaling production fast enough to meet global demand without creating new resource bottlenecks is a genuine challenge. The second concern is longevity. Organic materials degrade faster than silicon under prolonged ultraviolet exposure. Current transparent solar panels carry a rated lifespan of 15 to 20 years, half that of traditional silicon. For a skyscraper built to last a century, that means replacement cycles that add significant long-term cost. Researchers are actively working on encapsulation techniques that could extend panel life to 30 years or beyond. The third concern is equity. Who actually benefits from this technology first? Right now, transparent solar glass is being installed in premium commercial towers and wealthy urban districts. The communities that need energy cost relief the most are the last in line to receive this technology. Without deliberate policy intervention, transparent solar glass risks becoming another technology that widens the energy divide. Some cities are already moving to address this, mandating transparent solar installation in affordable housing developments. Portland, Oregon became the first U.S. city to require transparent solar glass in all new residential construction in 2025. But the deepest question isn't about cost or equity, it's about what this technology means for the grid itself. A city where every building generates its own power is a city that no longer depends on centralized energy infrastructure. That's not just an energy story, that's a geopolitical story. Nations that master distributed solar architecture today become structurally immune to energy supply disruptions and fossil fuel price shocks. The countries moving fastest on transparent solar glass today are positioning themselves for energy sovereignty tomorrow. And for the planet itself, the implications of buildings becoming net energy producers are staggering. The built environment currently produces nearly 40% of global carbon emissions. Transparent solar glass attacks that figure directly, reducing consumption and increasing clean generation simultaneously. It doesn't require anyone to change their behavior. It doesn't require new land. It doesn't require new infrastructure. It simply requires us to look at what's already in front of us and see it differently. We are standing at the beginning of a transformation that will reshape every city on Earth. The power grid that has defined civilization for a century is meeting its match, and it's made of glass. Every window is a solar panel waiting to be activated. Every building is a power station waiting to be switched on. The science is real. The products exist. The buildings are already being built. The only question left is how fast the world is willing to look up and see what's already there. The power grid just met its match. Hit like,
Share this with someone and subscribe to SynthCosmos. We cover the science reshaping our world as we know it every single week. We'll see you in the next one.